All right, let's go to the next available page, and we are going to title this Planning with a Matrix. So many times I hear, I want to pick this side, but I don't have any reasons or I don't have any evidence, so I can't go any further. That is the biggest struggle, is finding evidence or reasons to support your answer. And this is with, by the way. So this is how you could find out, if you didn't already know, how to find out which side has more evidence, which would make it the easiest one to write about. So I would set it up like this as a table, and I went all the way down. Okay. If I had more than one article, I would put the names of the article, reasons for yes, reasons for no. Yes trophy, no trophy. So the article is should, and we put it in quotations because it's a short story, should young athletes get participation trophies? And that's the name of our article. And you are copying this down. That's the name of my article. So if I had other articles, I would make other boxes, and I could turn it on its side, the paper, to give me more room. But right now I just have one article. All of the articles are squished together in one. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to find everything that I underlined purple in my article, and I'm going to jot it down here. I don't have to copy it word for word, I can just jot down reasons. Okay, so if I go here, it says, some children think it's nice to go home with something at the end of the season. So I'm just going to paraphrase it. Good to go home with something, with a reward. Okay, the next one is, it helps them deal with their lack of success. And I'm paraphrasing. It could shine a light on hard work. It may keep their interest. It may help to keep interest in the sport. Participation is important. In sports. And it'll remind them of fun. So those are all reasons that I underlined for yes trophy. Now if I had another article, I would continue on the back with the same reasons of yes trophy. So I'm not copying it word for word, I'm just paraphrasing it to get an idea of what my reasons could be. Do I have to use all these reasons? No, but I'm seeing which one has more. So now we're going to go and see what we highlighted. They send the wrong message. It leads to a sense of entitlement, which means I deserve it because. That's what entitlement means. I deserve it because I showed up. Even if it's not deserved. Trophies should recognize skill. Let's say trophies and awards should recognize skill, not just showing up. You should get a trophy because you're good at it, not because you showed up. Adults need to help kids overcome failure because that is part of life. Children can feel pride in accomplishments instead of getting a trophy for everything you do. When you really accomplish something, you can feel pride and feel proud. It also may motivate them to work harder. If they don't get a trophy for everything that they do, they're going to be motivated to work harder to get that trophy the next time. So there's some other ones as well, but I can see that there's a lot for both sides, so I can pick whichever side I want to. So I'm going to pick no trophy because I feel like it would be easier for me to write about. So this is one thing I want you to take note of. If I have more in the no trophy, and it's easier to write about, but I think they should get a trophy, that's okay. You want to pick the one that's the easiest to write about, okay? If you feel super strongly about it, that's fine, but and you can pick that side, but it's going to be much more difficult for you to write if there's not a lot of evidence. So I always say, pick the one that has the most evidence, okay? So then I'm going to go through and I'm going to highlight the 3 things I want to write about. I think the overcoming failure is huge. I think that feeling pride in your accomplishments and being motivated is something important. That could be a paragraph. And then leading to a sense of entitlement and trophies, recognizing skill could be another one as well. So I could actually use all of these.